Hi, I'm Jake Bowling here at Bowling RVs in Ottumwa, Iowa. And today I am excited to show you this 2021 Grand Lodge 42DL. This thing's all ready for a permanent site. It's sitting behind me. It's monstrous, it's huge, and I can't wait to go show you some of the features. Starting on the outside of this 2021 Grand Lodge 42DL, you'll notice a one-touch electric awning, and that's part of the technology package we'll get into today. One awesome feature of this unit is it has a residential 40-gallon hot water heater. Now moving to the inside of this camper, the thing you'll notice right away is a large residential 60 by 80 queen bed, and that is a Serta mattress, just like you find at your house. So as you enter the hallway, look to your right and you'll be able to go up the stairs into two giant lofts. There's one on the right and one on the left. Now this is gonna be awesome for kids or for adults if you have extra people staying with you. At the bottom of the stairs, you'll notice a central vacuum, and there's a hose that runs front to back from the entire camper. Now down the hallway, you have a sliding glass door on this unit. Going into the bathroom, you have what they call a mini mega shower and a residential vanity. Now walking into the living room of this camper is where it really gets luxurious and plush. In the kitchen, you have a oversized residential 24 cubic inch Whirlpool refrigerator with an ice maker. Coming down the kitchen, you'll notice you have a ton of drawers and cabinets here in the kitchen area. And then another neat thing is you have a pantry. And this is a large oversized pantry. You can get a lot of food in that rig. Looking into the island of this camper, you'll notice one thing right off the bat, and that's the double-sided deep stainless steel sink, and it's got a drying rack on one side. It also has a high-rise residential faucet, just like your house, and then also it's got storage all underneath the island. Thank you for joining us on this tour of our 2021 Wildwood Grand Lodge 42DL. If you'd like any more information on it, you can visit our website at www.bowlingrvs.com, or you can give us a call at 1-800-246-5497. I'm Jake Bowling at Bowling RVs here in Ottumwa, Iowa, your source for adventures on the road.